Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to actually use AI for games. So I will show you basically how to use ChatGPT in order to create games for yourself. It can be really simple games, not super complicated ones, so you can't really go to ask it, like for example, can you create me like a game like GTA 5, which is impossible. So basically it will just give us like a pretty simple game for us. So let's go first to our devices and open any kind of browsers. Now let's go to the URL section and write open AI. So here it goes. Now I will go to the top of the website and click on try button. Now this page shall be open for you. Else you can just sign up or create an account using your, for example, Gmail or Facebook or Twitter account, and just like so it will open this page for you. Now in order to make a game, let's ask it, write me a script. So don't tell it make me a game, but write me a script. So that's the command that you should say. So write me a script in like Python of car shooting game, for example. So here we go. I'm sorry, about creating a full script of a car shooting game would be quite complex and would require a lot of code. However, I can provide you with some basic example of how certain parts of the game could be implemented in Python. Here's an example how you could create a simple car class with a move and shoot method. So here it is, as you can see. Sorry guys, class car, here it is, self x y etc, move self dx dy, shoot self print shooting, my car 00, my car move 11, my car shoot. This is just one example of how the game could be implemented. A complete game will require many more classes and functions, such as classes for bullets, enemies, and collision detection, as well as a game loop to handle inputs and update the game state. If you're looking to create a game, I would recommend you looking into existing game engines library like Paygame, which provide many useful tools and abstractions for game development. So it gives you the script, basically a simple script for at the beginning, and then some ideas to complete the script with. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.